Fine.
There's something in your hand.
Yes.
What do you use it for?
This is a scanning tool.
Okay.
We use it to diagnose vehicles. Okay. It is used to diagnose and find out fault in vehicles.
Okay.
With this, you'll be able to go straight to the point.
Okay.
The error of trial and error has gone. So with this, you move to the solution and solve it appropriately.
This is Ford Chrysler. Each vehicle has its own language. If you want to get it right, you have to follow the procedure. You don't cut things, you don't change, you don't try, you don't do this one. One youth, two skills. All right. Good morning, everybody. Here is Passion Autocare Limited, Nnewi North. We are one of the master trainers in ongoing youth training in Anambra State. One youth, two skills. By the grace of God, our governor has decided to help the youth, and not only to help them, he has really, through the commissioner for youth, Mr. Anambra Patrick, he wants to touch the life of the youth, give them a meaningful life, and turn them around from social vices. So, in my own workshop as a master trainer, I am currently training them in mechatronics. That is electricals and mechanical. Is that so? Yes. One youth. Two skills. Today we have a case. Just like in medical field, you do your lab, you get the results, and then you prescribe. Today we have run a check on this vehicle. This is G5 IVM. It's an IVM. We have run a check. We have established the fault. What is the problem? What are the problems anyway? The cooling system has problem. That is number one. The AC is not functional as it's supposed to be. You can also see the battery. Sometimes when the vehicle is moving, come together, so that you can equally see what we are doing. Because of the wrong connection, one thing we do experience in today's automobile family is inability for some of our technicians, our colleagues, to admit that they don't know what they are actually going to do in a particular problem. Instead of getting it right, they will make sure that they disfigure and change a lot of things, cut short, fix some wires that may eventually get the car into a very big problem. So you can see what was done here. You can see this connection. You can see this nylon. Instead of black tape, you can see. Look at what somebody did here. I'm not saying he doesn't know what he's doing, but at least if you don't know how to do anything, please don't go into it. Do not even try at all. Make a referral. This vehicle as well has problem. We're going to change the relay. We're going to get the AC switch, so that it will work very well. We're going to change the belt as well. You can see it is worn out already. Yes, the fan belt is not working. Yes, the two belts are not working. We're going to change them. Yes, the compressor is also faulty. So I believe that we have established the fault, right? Yes. One youth, two skills. By God's special grace, I know that when we communicate with the customer, currently we will begin work ASAP. I also want to get us involved with the other vehicle there. That is a Ford Chrysler. Come over. You know, we don't only do mechatronics. I have also personally added auto scanning for them. You can see a trainee having the scanner. This vehicle has been abandoned for almost 8 months. Thereafter, some of the mechanics have already touched it. They have done their own. They have also done their own. If you look at the engine, you can see a wire here. This wire was just connected at the kick because we want to maybe the person wants to kickstart the vehicle from the kick, but it didn't work out. At the fuse box, there is another one at the boot. They also tried to change some fuse there. This is Ford Chrysler. Each vehicle has its own language. If you want to get it right, you have to follow the procedure. You don't cut things, you don't change, you don't try, you don't do this one. That is why scanning or auto diagnosis is very important. Am I communicating?
Yes.
One youth.
Two skills.
That is why we're able to get it. Currently, we have the keys. Our technician was also there through his help. By God's special grace, this is the key. Maybe it fell off from the owner's hand. The sensor was no longer working again. We got another one. By God's special grace, the key started working again. Not as much difficult as we may envisage. But this time around, I want to tell you that the vehicle is starting. And it's working perfectly very well. One youth.
Two skills.
I believe that with these two vehicles now, and other ones that we've done, my trainees, they can, for the moment, understand the configuration and how these things operate. Am I communicating?
Yes.
All right. One youth.
Two skills.
Two skills. Is solution here indeed?
Yes.
Okay, I can see you people smiling. Kevin. Having seen what we've learned so far, having seen what we've taught so far, what can you testify of this program? What have you learned from what we have done so far in this workshop since you started this training?
Thank you, ma. My name is Kevin Iloka.
Yes.
Standing on the existing protocol.
Yes.
I learned many things in this company.
Okay.
Passion Autocare Limited.
Okay.
We learn how to diagnose motor. If your motor have any fault, we diagnose it and you fix it in normal position.
Yes.
So far,
Can you diagnose?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
I can diagnose.
Okay.
Yeah. So far, so good. We are progressing
Okay.
in this company.
Can you now see that Ford is different from other vehicles in terms of their wiring diagram and configuration?
Yeah, I can see that because American motors are different from Japanese motor.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. I can see that.
All right. Mr. Sonny.
Wow.
Good day.
Good day.
How is everything?
Everything is going on.
All right.
Fine.
There's something in your hand.
Yes.
What do you use it for?
This is a scanning tool.
Okay.
We use it to diagnose vehicles.
Okay.
It is used to diagnose and find out fault in vehicles.
Okay.
With this, you'll be able to go straight to the point.
Okay.
The era of trial and error has gone. So with this, you move to the solution and solve it appropriately.
That's wonderful. Okay, Kevin, come over to this side. We were programming the key, and as you can see, in normal mechanic workshop, when you have this type of fault, you hardly see where the environment is kept sane like this. But if you go that with scanner, we were able to dictate the fault, and it helped us to program. How did you see the servicing of this vehicle? From Ife Namota.
My name is Kelvin Obiasomba. So, from what I've learned so far, in order to make this vehicle to be moving neat, cool, and to be comfortable for the owner, we have to service everything, like the combustion, this thing, change everything, and the nozzles, clean it for it to be comfortable for the owner.
Okay. How do you see the servicing? Is it like just in other mechanic shops?
No, it's totally a very different thing altogether.
Okay.
Because others do I don't know how to put it, but but from here we are doing a very neat job than other mechanics that dirty themselves and other things.
All right. Mr. Loka.
Yes.
How far?
I'm fine.
Okay. How is it going?
It's going well.
All right. So what can you testify on of the training?
Yes, definitely. Before, I don't know what is engine.
Okay.
I only know that engine on my bike, but it's only when I came to this place that I cannot identify so many components in the engine and how it works.
Okay.
Like when I came to this place, everything was somehow difficult.
Ambiguous, yeah.
So I can't really understand, but as it goes on, I start understanding everything, even from the piston to the engine, block engine, the crankshaft, the camshaft, and every components that makes the engine work, and how they are brought together to make it an engine. So that is what I really understand coming to Passion Autocare Limited.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I also want to say that we have gone as far as teaching safety in automobile workshop. As long as technical activities is concerned, we have what is called safety. We have taught them about anatomy of fire extinguisher, how it works, how you can protect yourself when you are doing this type of work. Despite the fact that we are using scan, we are also safety conscious, and it's very important. Thank you so much, Mr. Governor. Thank you, our Commissioner, Mr. Patrick Agamba. We are very, very happy giving this privilege to the youth. Tokunadu Governor, thank you so much. God bless you. As a master trainer, I am very happy that I'm part of the program. Not just because of money or whatever, because the governor say we want people to partner with us. In partnership, a lot of things are involved. It's not just about money. You can be paid quite well. You can be paid quite well, but it's not the major issue is if you are able to get what people need at a particular time. So I'm very happy that my workshop was chosen to be one of the places where trainees will be trained and acquire knowledge. I want to encourage the youths out there. I want to encourage the youths out there. It's not gonna be easy until you start. Currently, by next week, by God's special grace, we are going to embark on a training, 3 weeks training in auto scanning, car diagnosis. If you have finished your junior WAEC, your senior WAEC, a jam bite, you are at home waiting for one thing or the other, waiting for manna to fall from heaven. Engage yourself. The training fee is very affordable. You'll be surprised. The training fee, in fact, we are making sacrifices here. We want you to be useful, learning and getting the knowledge of this basic knowledge in auto scanning, how you can use scanner to scan vehicles and detect the fault. If you go to some places, you'll be shocked how much you will pay to learn. But here, we are giving you this at a giveaway price to help support the youth in our society. We want to take them off the streets. I believe God that if you anywhere you are in Nnewi or Anambra State, you can find yourself in Passion Autocare, located at Ekochie Junction, Igworis Road, Otolo Nnewi. Stop at roundabout, take keke to Igworis Road. Before, just tell the keke driver that you are stopping at Ekochie. When opposite Zim House, the moment you stop there, you cross the road and enter the workshop. So we encourage everybody, not just about youths, ladies, gender equality, you can join. Sometimes individual can do that because there is nothing as good as when you see the vehicle, if you can be able to discover the fault in your vehicle, you will help even the technician to know the actual thing happening in your vehicle. So I am very, very grateful and I'm happy. We have done it last year and we are starting another batch this year again. I very excited the opportunity to start. 16th of May is another day for this training. Thank you so much and God bless you. I remind myself, my humble self, Comrade Wisdom Ogo Okeke, Director Passion Autocare Limited. Thank you so much.